Watch closely as this motorcycle catches fire when authorities spray it to sanitize vehicles. The location and date of this incident are not known. It is not clear what was being sprayed and whether this contained alcohol or other flammable components. While the policemen quickly got 2 fire extinguishers, they were unable to use either and the fire was doused with a bottle of water.
The incident highlights some important questions. What caused the fire? Was it a component of the sanitizing spray being used? Is it approved for such usage? What part of the bike caught fire first? Were the fire extinguishers faulty or were the policemen not trained on how to use it?